Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you are here and you like what you see, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe for me. That feels so cringe to say that, but anyway, if you watched my last video, you saw me set up this binder, this beautiful binder, and everything in this binder is from Krafted by KoKo. Like, look how beautiful this is. I love her so much, and look how beautiful these envelopes are. Oh my gosh. Want to go through them real quick. Like, definitely go and check her out. I should do a giveaway, guys. Go ahead and check the comments to see if I do a giveaway, and comment giveaway if you would like to see that. I'm thinking maybe $50 for her shop. That would be nice. I have to see if I can do that, but let's go ahead and unbox the rest of the stuff. So, I have this beautiful paper clip. Y'all, this is so perfect. Wait, I have a pink one somewhere. I don't know where it is. I will say, guys, be careful with these paper clips, because if you're rough with them, the bigger items especially will come off. And I have no idea how to wrap these things back up, so be careful with them. So there's that. And I got this beautiful binder charm. Is that what these are called? A charm? I don't know, something like that. Like, oh my gosh, look at the butterfly on her. Okay, hold on. ASMR moment. Ah! Probably better without me making noise, but so pretty. Oh my gosh, I'm in love. And I have some planner cards. I think that this is what these are called. And I have the most beautiful binder color for these. So wait till I show you that. Another peeker, pocket peeker. I don't know what this is called. I think that's right. But look how beautiful. We love. And I got this for my sinking funds binder. I just thought that it would be cute because I already knew what color I wanted my sinking fund binder to be, and I wanted to change out my envelopes. But look how beautiful. A layered moment. We love. Uh-oh, do y'all see that little hair? But we love this so much. So these are my envelopes. I got some additional, what are these? Dashboards. So let's open these up before I do my envelopes. I got this one, sugar and spice with a lollipop. That's nice. I don't know, with a budget. That's nice. I don't know. Sugar and spice and everything nice. My brain. Pinky in the brain. It's almost time for me to get my child, but look how beautiful, guys. I love these so much. I love the color, and I got some placeholders, so I might not use the ones that I have for this binder, but we will see. I got one placeholder. I might use this one instead of some of the other ones I have. So the last thing that I have is these envelopes. Oh my gosh, y'all, I love color so much. Sometimes I want to be a neutral girly, even in my house, but I'm like, I love color. So we have down payment, medical, dental, workout, Jesse's Farm. We have gifts, winter, summer, birthdays, and a freebie. I'm guessing this is a freebie because I don't remember picking this one out. So thank you. I love it. But let's grab the binder. So these binders are available in my shop. I probably need to do some updating to my shop. And I saved some things that I knew would look great in this binder. But look how beautiful. This color is so vibrant and rich. I love it so much. Uh-oh. Yo, I'm sorry. I don't know what that is. That's my intrusive thoughts. That's what my brain sounds like. I wish I was joking. So these I'm probably look at that. Y'all can't tell me that's not beautiful. Look. Look at here, look at here. Uh-oh. I have all this stuff in my hand. So these are the order that I'm going to probably keep these in. And then we'll put the dashboard, and let's go ahead and decorate her. The pocket peekers, gummies, gummy bears, or macaroons. Macaroons. I don't know. I've never eaten one that I like. I think they're disgusting. They're cute, but has anyone ever had a macaroon that they like, if I can say it? Ooh, I don't know which one I want to show. I think I'll do this one. Macaroons. Macaroon. Amanda, I'm gonna need you to come back. I'm back, guys. Not I'm back, guys. Okay, deep breaths. Yeah, sometimes I have to bring myself back because I will start just going left. So let's bring it back. Bring it back, y'all. Okay. Like, isn't that cute? And maybe this one right here. The butterfly, yes, yes. I don't know if I like that as much. I don't get the point of this little one back here. I promise I don't like it. No. And I think I will actually, I'm sorry, bear with me, guys. I will be cash stuffing this binder as well. Do or donut spin. Yo, Amanda, you gotta bring it down a notch. Nobody's gonna come back. But you know what? Your superpower is that you're one of one. No, but for real. So look how beautiful this is. I love it so much. Oh my gosh. I would just love to be a fly on the wall while she's crafting. I love it so much. And guys, I love crafting too. I just can't get my life together enough to like work on my stuff and finish my website. And so I'm thinking that I may hole punch this, right? And then hang this right here. But we will see. I've done that on a few of my envelopes and I just love how that looks. So I do want to be very careful with this so I don't rip it. So let's put her there. Or do I want to put it on an envelope? I might put it on this envelope in the back. I don't know if I like that. But so that you see it, but it's not a vibe, a moment. She is the star. Do we not love that? And these hair clips go perfectly. I'm telling you guys, get hair clips. So let's go ahead and cash stuff this. So I've been keeping the money in my debt binder in this miscellaneous envelope. So let's go ahead and get this. I don't know why I have that. It just says account. I do have some placeholders because I do have a couple $1,000 for my down payment. 100. And I don't know why I have all of these tens, but I do, and we're gonna work with it. I need to go pick up my child too. Okay, so let's move into the cash stuffing. And guys, I didn't plan this, so it might be a little chaotic. And as we can see now, I'm a little bit of a bird brain. So we have 2,500. I think I took some money out of this account. So I'm going to put 2,520 in down payment. And I need to get this back up to 3,000 because I'm doing 3 and then I got another 3 coming. So medical, we're going to do 20, 30, 40, 5, 50 because for some reason I keep having to go to the doctor. So let's just take care of that. Dental, I need to go to the dentist. 10, 25, we'll do 25 there. And these envelopes are so beautiful, y'all. Workout. Oh, I think instead of stuffing my workout envelopes, I wanted to keep the money here. So let's think the money is here. But you know what? It bothers my soul to kind of leave some of my envelopes empty. So I think I'll leave $5 there and put the rest in my workout envelope. I've got to figure out my system. I probably need to get rid of some envelopes. So 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 35. I just want to make sure I put something in each envelope. I don't remember exactly. So I have $200 in the bank for Jesse's farm. We'll put 10, 15. Who knows how long that would be in the family. I really wanted to like turn the farm into something that's making money. Like if anybody lives on the farm, you know how hard it is just farming, making it turn a profit, all of that. So gifts, I need to actually get some stuff for my secret sister. So that's $19 I'm going to put into gifts. Actually, let's do $24. That's in gifts. Winter is upon us almost. Let's add 25 to winter, all right? I don't even know how much money I had to cash stuff in here. Then we'll add 25 to summer. I'm sorry, guys. I'm still trying to get over this cold. Birthday, we'll add these 2 10s, or 2 5s, I'm sorry. And then I guess I'll have this be my miscellaneous envelope. So say I need to take from it like a buffer. It'll have $5 in it. And I'm going to go ahead and keep this. I like to keep the stuff in the binder. Should I put it in this envelope or should I put it back here? Let's see how it looks back here. Don't like it. So I'm going to go ahead and put it in the envelope. Maybe like this. Keep the $5 that way. Keep this one this way. I'm not going to fidget with it too much. Is fidget? Oh, that is a word, but why does it sound weird? I guess it's not something used every day. Anyway, because we're about to go down another rabbit hole. Thank you guys so much for watching. I definitely recommend checking out Krafted by KoKo. Check her out, guys. Thanks for watching.